How to recover Instagram account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can recover your Instagram account. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Instagram. After you open it up, try to log in into an account. Let me just log into an existing one. And after you're here, all you have to do is type in a username. And after you type your username, tap on this forgotten password option. After you tap on the forgotten password option, all you have to do is type in the email address for your account. After you type in the email address for your account, tap on continue. If your email address is wrong, it's completely fine. You will error code. So you can now head over to your email to check for the code received. So head over there and there we go. Let's just copy this, head back and paste it. Then tap on continue. So after you type in the code received in your mail, all you have to do is change your, or if you don't get this change password on, you'll get save your login info if you have it on your iCloud. So you can save it if you want, and there you go. Now you can also change it into a new password. And there you go. That's basically how you uh, change or recover your Instagram account. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.